In this video we will demonstrate how to set up Kaspersky Security Center using the Quick Start wizard. When you connect to the server for the first time, the Quick Start wizard launches. Some of the wizard parameters are submitted automatically, and some need to be specified manually. On the Welcome page of the wizard, click Next. Proceed with the setup using the Quick Start wizard. If mobile devices, Android or iOS smartphones and tablets, are used at your organization, you can enable their management via Kaspersky Security Center 11. You can also enable or disable at any time in the Mobile Device Management node of the Administration Console. In Kaspersky Security Center 11, a special license can activate the system's management and mobile device management functionality. You can add a license either from a key file locally or receive via the Internet using an activation code. You will also be able to add a license later. The next step prompts to configure proxy server connection parameters for Internet access. The administration server connects to the Internet to download updates and communicate with Kaspersky Security Network servers. Kaspersky Security Center installer includes all the recent plugins as of the Kaspersky Security Center release. However, newer versions of products can also be issued later, and newer versions of managed products and respective plugins may have appeared after the Kaspersky Security Center was released. The Quick Start wizard can check whether more recent versions of plugins are available, and offers to install them if yes. Accept the agreement. The next step concerns the use of Kaspersky Security Network Services (KSN). KSN is the name of the cloud-assisted protection technologies of Kaspersky Lab. KSN provides extra protection for the computers by receiving the latest information about new threats before this information is added into the traditional anti-malware signatures. Detailed information and the KSN participation statement are available on the Kaspersky Lab website. The next step is the email notification setup. To have notifications about important events sent to the administrator's mailbox, specify the email address and SMTP server parameters, address, port and, if necessary, authorization data. These parameters will be used for notifications and reports. By default, event notifications are not sent. To receive the information about events by email, turn on notifications in the event properties. The parameters of Kaspersky Security Center events are configured in the administration server properties. The parameters of Kaspersky Endpoint Security events are available in the Kaspersky Endpoint Security policy. The wizard does not check the correctness of the specified settings, but allows the administrator to do it with the Send Test Message button. A test message will be sent to the specified recipient. If the wizard fails to connect to the SMTP server or fails to authenticate, the corresponding error will be displayed. Then it is up to the administrator to check the inbox and make sure that the message is actually there. This step appears in the Quick Start wizard only if the administrator specified a key or code that activates the system's management functionality of Kaspersky Security Center, or selected to add a key later. The choices define how software patches and Microsoft updates are installed. Kaspersky Security Center can automatically detect vulnerable programs and operating system modules on the computers, and automatically install the necessary updates and fixes. Additionally, Kaspersky Security Center can function as a local source of Microsoft updates (WSUS server). Then the wizard creates the Kaspersky Endpoint Security and Kaspersky Network Agent policies and tasks. As soon as the tasks and policies are created, the Quick Start wizard starts downloading updates to the repository. The wizard displays the task progress, but you don't need to wait for it to finish. If you proceed to the next page of the wizard, updating will continue in the background. The next step is network polling. The administration server collects the list of Windows network computers just like the operating system itself. The last page of the Quick Start wizard displays the checkbox that allows you to start the remote installation wizard for deploying Kaspersky Endpoint Security on the network computers. By default, this option is selected. You should not rush into action though. We recommend that you prepare for remote installation first, and then start it from the monitoring page of the administration console. To complete the Quick Start wizard, click Finish.